Most people want to improve their financial lives. They dream of saving more money. They wish they could spend less. They know they should invest for the future. Yet, despite these good intentions, many of us fail to make lasting progress. The reason for this is surprisingly common. We often believe that significant change requires a monumental effort. We set huge, ambitious goals. We try to overhaul our entire financial behavior overnight. This approach feels inspiring for a day or two, but it is rarely sustainable. Big goals can feel heavy and overwhelming, demanding a constant supply of willpower that most of us simply do not possess. Willpower is a finite resource. It gets depleted throughout the day as you make decisions, resist temptations, manage your responsibilities. When you rely solely on willpower to achieve your financial goals, you are setting yourself up for failure. A stressful day at work, an unexpected bill, a moment of fatigue can be enough to derail your grand plan. This is why most ambitious financial resolutions fall apart by February. The problem isn't you. The problem is the strategy. Believing you need to change everything at once is a recipe for burnout, not success. Small, consistent habits, on the other hand, do not require a daily surge of motivation. The real path to financial freedom is not paved with grand gestures, but with small, repeatable actions. Tiny habits are simple. They are easy to integrate into your existing routine. Over time, these small actions compound, much like interest on your savings. They stack up, one on top of the other, building a powerful foundation for wealth. A single tiny habit, practiced consistently, can change your behavior and identity, transforming you into the type of person who manages money effortlessly. So, what is this better system? One of the most effective and straightforward strategies is known as habit stacking. Link a new money habit to a habit you already perform every single day. Think about your daily routine: brushing your teeth, checking your phone, making your morning coffee. These existing behaviors are powerful triggers. Attach a new money habit to one of these triggers to hijack your routine for your benefit. The formula: after I current habit, I will new money habit. For example, after I pour my morning coffee, I will transfer $5 to my savings account. Saving: after I get paid, I will transfer 10% to my savings before anything else. Budgeting: after Sunday dinner, I will review my spending for 3 minutes. Investing: after I pay rent, I will automate a $50 transfer to my investment account. Why is habit stacking so much more effective than setting big, audacious goals? The answer lies in human psychology. Our brains are wired to conserve energy. Big, complex tasks demand effort our brains resist. Small habits fly under the radar. Under 2 minutes. Easy to start, easy to repeat. Tiny tweaks, big wins. 4 key elements: cues, consistency, automaticity, compounding. Link a new money habit to an established cue. The old habit becomes the signal for the new one. No need to remember. Relief when it becomes second nature. Not intensity, consistency. Small daily actions build momentum. Each completion casts a vote for your identity. A well-designed habit system makes good financial choices the path of least resistance. Wealthy people aren't simply more disciplined. They often have superior systems that automate good decisions. They don't decide to be good with money. Their environment makes it happen by default. This is a crucial distinction. They remove the battle by making the right choice automatic. From wake up to work, every choice drains energy. With money, this fatigue can be disastrous. It's easier to order takeout or scroll and shop than to review your budget. A habit stack pre-decides for you. When the cue appears, the action follows without negotiation. Automation frees you from the tyranny of moods. Small wins release dopamine, reinforcing the behavior. Over time, your outlook shifts from anxiety to confidence. Theory is helpful, but practical application is where real change happens. Let's build a clear playbook of habit stacks you can implement today, broken down by category. Make them so small it's easy to say yes. Customize them to your day. After I open my banking app to check my balance, I will immediately transfer $10 to my savings. After I pay a bill online, I will move an equal amount, or even $5, to a fun money pot. After I swipe my debit card, I will log the amount, then round up into savings. After I finish my workout, I will move $2 into my health fund. After I sit down for Sunday breakfast, I will review last week's expenses for 3 minutes. If I'm scrolling social, I will switch to my budgeting app for 1 minute. After I pay rent, I will check upcoming bills for 2 minutes. After adding to cart, I will close the tab and wait 24 hours. The most profound effect of tiny financial habits is identity transformation. Your habits are the building blocks of who you are. Every action is a vote for the person you wish to become. The first time you transfer $5, it's new. The 100th time, it's evidence. You are a saver. This identity shift is the invisible engine of long-term success. Once you believe, I am someone who manages my money well, your actions align automatically. All of this is only valuable if you put it into action. Commit to just 30 days. One small tweak. Pick one daily habit you already do without fail. This will be your cue. Use the formula. After I, current habit, I will, new money habit. Keep it under 2 minutes. Put a calendar on your wall and mark a big green X each day. Don't break the chain. Do this one simple challenge. Your wallet and your brain will thank you.